Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we are at KWS. So today what I'm going to be doing is going to the animal orphanage and also maybe probably safari walk. We're here to check animals. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Let's get started. The first animal we saw was a monkey, and then we also saw warthogs, and then also saw these birds called guinea birds. They were so cute, and they had so many different colors. They had mostly blue and white. They were so pretty. Mostly the animal orphanage is normally a place where they put sick or injured animals. And so guys, here as you can see, there are some lions. Let me tell you guys some fun facts about lions. A lion's roar can be heard from 8 kilometers. Female lions are normally the main hunters. The male lions normally take care of the younger ones. So guys, as you can see, this is a hyena. This one is spotted, and they have two different hyenas here. The one and this. So here we have more guinea birds, but in different colors. Here's also other lions, which this one I think you can see more clearly. Here as you can see, there's a buffalo sitting around. A buffalo looks like a cow, but it's a wild animal. Here you guys can see some monkeys. Do you know that old wild monkeys live in Africa and Asia, and new wild monkeys live in South America? And this is a baby serval cat. It's a wild cat native to Africa, and hunting it is prohibited. And as you can see here, this is a white-tailed mongoose. So here as you can see, they are peacocks. Some fun facts about peacocks: they are not born with their beautiful feathers. The peacocks grow their feathers at age 3. They can fly their huge feathers. I think they are very beautiful and I love them. As you guys can see here, this is a baby cheetah. Cheetahs are the world's fastest land mammal. Cheetahs don't roar, they meow and purr. Here is the warthog. Did you know that warthogs don't have good eyesight, but they have very good sense of smell, and also they are vegetarians. That was the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Bye!